Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about a service that has revolutionized the way we store and retrieve the data. Amazon Simple Storage Service, or it's more commonly known as AWS S3. So, what exactly is AWS S3? To find the answer, let's quickly jump on the presentation and see what is the S3. So, AWS S3 is limitless cloud storage solution. It is robust and scalable object storage service that empower business to store and protect their data with the ease. The powerful cloud solution offer unparalleled durability, security, and cost efficiency, transforming the way organizations manage their most valuable digital assets. AWS S3 provide petabyte size of data with ease. It has infinite scalability, it has automatic scaling, and the most important thing, pay as you go pricing. AWS S3 offer unparalleled reliability and durability. It has robust security for your data. Means you can access control who can access your data. You can encrypt the data at the transit and the rest, and you can also auditing. You can do auditing and compliance as per the norms. So what use case we can identify where we can use the Amazon S3 as a storage? So backup and disaster recovery is one of the area where we can use AWS S3, web hosting and content delivery, big data and analytics, and Internet of Things. AWS S3 can seamlessly integrate with other AWS services like AWS Lambda, EC2, and Amazon Athena. To start with the AWS S3, we need to have a AWS account. Once we logged into our AWS account, we can start setting up our first S3 bucket. Why to choose AWS S3? For scalability, security, durability, and cost efficiency is the main reason. So let's quickly jump on the demo part and see how we can create a AWS S3 bucket. So I will quickly switch over to my AWS console. Once we select the AWS S3 as a service, right now I don't have anything to show in my S3 console. So it will ask me to create a bucket. So we have to give a unique name. We can enable bucket versioning as well. For demo purpose, we keep the server-side encryption with AWS managed keys and click on create bucket. Like this. Once we create the S3 bucket, we can simply click on it and we can upload our data as per our requirement. We can add folder as well. We can add single file as well. So I can upload a picture of mine. And as you can see, the picture is uploaded successfully. I can close the tab, and this is how we can set up our S3 bucket and start uploading documents or data on it. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe for more such videos. Thank you so much.